Alright guys, join me on my next adventure. Looking for Manley Meats right in the heartland of the Amish, crossing the Amish territory. Alright, let's do it. I hope you will enjoy this video. See you. Alright. See how it is, man. This is how it is. I don't know where I'm at, but we are going to see what's going on. We're at All American shop. We're gonna get some gas. Alright, this is our trip. Alright, let me get this. Alright, it's better. It's faster. Alright. It's auto rising again. Alright. See what's going on. Okay. Dude, it's keep auto rising. I wanna go inside and see what's going on, you know? Yeah. Because it's messed up. It's just keep auto rising and auto rising. Alright. Yeah, I'm coming out from the convenience store. It's already it's done. It's paid, you know. I think that pump is slower. It doesn't react immediately to the what do you call this? To the card. The card reader doesn't react immediately. So I have to pay. Alright, listen, I'm gonna let you see this one. Hang on. Look at that. That's a silo. That's a big one. Yeah. Look at that. Nice, huh? Yeah. And you know, there's another one. All right. Let's go fill up some gas. All right. Another day in the Amish territory, looking for Manley Meats. Look at that. Man, they are rich, you know? Look at that. Alright. Oh man, Manley Meats is on the other side. We have to go around. Okay. Alright. We have to go around. But before we go there, we're going to do a tour. This is their territory, dude. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. Amish territory. Look at all the land. Look at that. It is huge. Look at that. I love to shop at the Amish store. Alright guys, we just arrived at this shop here called, we're gonna go grocery shopping, Manley Meats, right on the what do you call this place here, Amish territory. Okay, the Amish territory. Look at that. Okay, let me see. Alright guys, you know where we're at? We're in the Amish territory again, Decatur, Indiana. And we're here to buy some bone chicken. Because I heard this is really nice. And they can their own chicken. Well, we're gonna buy a lot for our shop. Alright, hang on. Let's go get a few. You got some stuff on here too. I need like at least 4. Oh, they have a lot of stuff. They got apple butter. They got all kinds of nice stuff here. They make their own. They made their own, dude. All this. God. just enough. Okay. To make their own stuff. Look at that. Jalapeno. Got chicken breast. And they're cheaper too. Look at that. So let me go get another one. Another chicken, because we might be getting busy. Look at that. They got a lot of stuff down here. Nice. Oh, they got shirts too. Let's see. They make their own slug. So we're in here inside right now. They got, oh man, they make their own. Look at that, dude. Man, they got their own cheeses. I give up. This is a nice place. Yeah. Look at that. You want some? You got frozen hamburgers. That is nice. I want to get some frozen hamburgers too. Let me see. Let's see that. Nice. Yeah, I want to get some of this because this is not. This is nice. I need at least 3 hamburgers, frozen hamburgers. Oh, they have cheeses. They got. Look at that. They have cheeses too. You can buy. You want me to buy cheese? I could buy cheese, but that's all we need right now. Okay, and we got some cold cuts. I mean, nice. This place is really nice, man. Cheaper, but it's way down to the. It's way out at the, Amish territory. So, but it's nice. Oh dear. Alright guys, I gotta get this. I gotta go check out. They also have sweet baby rays here. I don't think that's the candies here, but let me get one. They have meats, nice. They got nice meats. And they're just cheaper. Okay. They have a lot of stuff like that. Look at. Oh, jerky. All kinds of jerky. So if you want to come out here, but it's way in the territory, so you can come out here. It's too far. Wow. I got hamburgers. Look what I got. Nice. Let's check out these pork rinds. We want this one, these old packages. This is really nice. They did this by themselves. Nice. All right, guys. We'll see you. Man, I thought it's over, but look at that. They have hamburgers too. It's pre-packaged and it's cheaper. Yeah, look at that. All kinds of butt steaks and all that. Nice. Sirloin, boneless. Nice. We're gonna go sausages. You want that? We got pulled pork, sloppy Joe. No, sloppy Joe. Kinds of corn chips. I'm gonna go buy one. This place is nice. All right, guys, we got what we need. We got what we need. We're just gonna tour and see what's going on. Yep, we got what we need. We got hamburgers and all that. Canned chicken. Whoa. Nice. What is that there? Oh. Oh. There's a sign there. Look at that. Nice. Got some nice Amish houses. You got nice barn. And they're nice people, dude. I'm serious. Alright. Nice barn, big one. You got a silo over there. Look at the field. Big. Mind their own business here. That's all it is. Alright. Alright, I want to end this video. And then I just want to share to you guys what I see in real time. What the Amish neighborhood look. Nice, they're rich. All right. Until the next adventure, we'll see you. Thanks for subscribing.